Hi viewers.
Well, he's like, which one? Most nobody looking for me, man. Nobody looking for me. I'm looking for you. They told me I was walking through, they said, yeah.
Like this. We got a really far.
No, nigga, that's oh, hello, friends.
Hey, Keziah.
Okay. Do I tell them that right now? Yeah. But you go to your table first.
That's a fuck. Oh, I thought that bitch was over.
My viewers.
Hey viewers, let me see. Turn the thing around.
It's on tape, so I got you on this side.
I got
You want to say anything about watching my show?
your reality show.
Yeah.
Watch Keziah, subscribe, and follow. Okay, that's it.
I like Brian. This is the Prospectus Leadership Academy Student Government Association.
Come on, get your skills right.
Hello, Naz.
Okay. I think that'll be a good love.
So how long am I supposed to do this for?
Until it gets full.
Until it's like a decent size.
Right.
It's gonna fly out.
Okay, keep crawling. Yeah. Dang, look how she gonna let her cotton candy be. That's crazy.
Okay, this a trial run.
All right, give me a thing.
We outside, y'all. We outside at the event. Ooh, I'm recording.
You're supposed to have more representatives around.
Quality. Look at that.
How do you feel about this project?
I feel great. I feel like it's a success.
Oh, it's about to be Keziah show. I'm ready. Oh, it is. Let me get out of here. I'm sorry.
Oh, is that what this is?
Yup.
Moisturizing body wash.
Interview.
So do you love working with 10th graders?
Yes, I love my sophomores, and I love our service learning projects.
Next to me is the president of SGA, Miss Cymone. So Cymone, how would you describe this service learning project?
I don't know yet. I just got here, so
How would you rate being the president of SGA?
10 out of 10.
So, you're excited for this block party?
Yeah. You excited, Keziah?
Of course I'm excited. So viewers, you've seen it. Please give it up for Miss Cymone Pegg.
Hey, this mental health club! Woo!
got started on the web. I think you scanned the survey over here.
Thank you, Keziah.
3, 2, 1, go! Now, standing next to me is the sponsor for the Student Government Association, Miss Blair Savage.
Hey, how are you, Keziah?
I'm doing good. So, Miss Savage.
Great to be on your show, by the way.
Well, thank you for being on my show. So, how would you rate the Student Government Association?
The Student Government Association, I run 2 clubs here, and both of the clubs I just have a great affinity for. I love for students to have student voice in the school. So this is like definitely a program that I like to sponsor. So, you know, it's one of my top 2. I can't really rank them.
Are you excited for this block party?
I am excited for this block party. I got some new student government students in, Keziah being one. He's going to be our historian and our secretary for next year. So I'm really excited to see our new members really diving in and getting their hands dirty and working for the school. Student leaders.
Also,
That's a ghost. That's a former ghost of PCS. That's a ghost.
do you have any words of advice for the next seniors watching this?
The next seniors come to school on time every day, even if you don't want to come to school, because that's a part of adulthood, pushing through even when you don't feel like doing something. Also, like, be kind to your teachers. You never know if you need them for a recommendation for college or anything like that. So just be respectful, be nice, show up every day for yourself, make yourself proud, and try to get on an honor roll.
Okay, everybody, you've seen it here. Please give it up for none other than Miss Blair Savage.
I feel like he just want to say my first name. It's okay. This is our handshake. Get it, Mr. Kyle. Peace.
Now, standing next to me is the other sponsor of the Student Government Association, Miss Brittany McGee. Now, Miss McGee, how would you rate the Student Government Association?
Ooh, because there is always room for improvement, I would rate us a 10 out of 10.
So, do you have any advice for the class of 2026?
Ooh, class of 2026. This is your year. Advocate for yourselves, speak up for yourselves, or if there's any events that you want to see, make sure you contact somebody that's in the SGA, and hopefully you guys can bring it together and make it happen. This year's all about fun.
And are you excited for this block party?
Of course I'm excited for the block party. Freak out. Aww. Toot, beep, beep. Freak out.
Okay, everybody, you've seen it here. Please give it up for Miss Brittany McGee.
Yay!
We'll be back right after this.
Guess who has
You're
returned?
here for the Peace Summit, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
So, how did you rate teaching at MSA?
Wow, teaching at MSA is always a 10 out of 10. I've actually graduated from Perspective myself as an alumni student of class of 2010. So actually the first graduating class here. And I've been teaching. I'm going into my 10th year. You wouldn't believe it.
Rate my experience 10 out of 10. I would recommend.
And do you have any advice for the upcoming seniors?
Yes, to my lovely juniors that are about to be seniors, continue to accept local quality work for yourself. Get in the habit of, not procrastinating and getting your work done. And yeah, do what you need to do to get up out of here.
Do you know somebody who's being cheated on and you want their partner to take a lie detector test? If so, call the Keziah Show at 1-888-3-KEZIAH. That's 1-888-3-KEZIAH.
Stand next to me is my graphic design teacher and the host of the Chocolate Baddies, Miss Mary Jhay. Miss Jhay,
What's up?
Miss Jhay, how would you rate your experience here at Progressive Leadership?
I would rate my experience 10 out of 10. I would recommend.
And you have any advice for the upcoming seniors?
Yes, to my lovely juniors that are about to be seniors, continue to accept own quality work for yourself. Get in the habit of, not procrastinating and getting your work done. And yeah, do what you need to do to get up out of here. That's my advice.
And are you enjoying this block party?
It's pretty dry. I don't hear any music, so I'm about to go connect my Bluetooth and, get it lit. But other than that, it's nice outside. It's nice to see all y'all outside. So.
Oh, and to our friend who's watching this, the conflict resolution, Tamika Balentine.
Oh, my work bestie. I love you.
So, we love you, Miss Tamika.
We love you. Yes, we do.
So, if you're watching this, we're having fun. I wish you were here, but you're inside that summit.
We'll see.
How's Rachel?
I would rate your perspective a great one. I love teaching Black students. I love urban education. It has been a very, very good experience here at Perspective Church.
Are you enjoying this block party? Everybody, please surround our best Hudson. And thank you for being on the show.
Because leaders don't follow. And when you're a true leader, it's much easier to make those hard decisions. But the hard decisions have to be made. And until you've had to make that, decide on that hard decision, that's when you know you're a true leader. When you can see the shit hitting the fan, and you can get in your car, call that Uber, and walk away, that's a leader.
Now, stand next to me is conflict resolution expert and host of the Tamika Balentine Show and my choir director and mentor, none other than Miss Tamika Balentine.
Amazing Keziah, so pretty, so talented, and one of a kind and has a heart to go. Thanks for having me today.
So, thanks for being here, Miss Tamika. So, you were here for the Peace Summit, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
So, how did you rate teaching at MSA?
Wow, teaching at MSA is always a 10 out of 10. I've actually graduated from Perspective myself as an alumni student of class of 2010. So actually the first graduating class here. And I've been teaching. I'm going into my 10th year. I wouldn't believe it, but I'm going into my 10th year of teaching. And it's a blast every day, being able to talk to so many different kinds of students, to motivate them, to inspire them. So we do a team builder. We're in critical conversations, doing our lessons. So it's a blast always. Thank you for that question.
So, how would you rate your experience with me and the Wave Youth Choir?
Wow, you guys are my babies. Oh my God, you guys are awesome. You're brilliant. You guys have grown so much. Even you, Keziah, how long have you been with us?
For a year already.
For a year, and literally just you being able to grow and coming in, dedication, and just working hard. You guys are really amazing people, and I'm so glad that you are able to not be scared to show that you're a child of God. You know what I'm saying? And then vocally and musically, one of our biggest directors, just growing each and every time. So yes.
Okay. So, our Wave Youth Weekend is coming up.
Yes.
Unless you already knew that to be kept team.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Although, to be honest, I did miss your announcement.
What'd you say?
I did miss your announcement.
I know. It's all good. You can do some stuff soon. Okay, is that all for me?
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, sorry.
Everybody, you seen it here. Please give it up for none other than my mentor, my friend, conflict resolution expert, and
Thank you.
The sister show of the Keziah Show.
Hey!
The host, Miss Tamika Balentine.
And Keziah, thank you so much. Thank you.
Give me out the camera.
I didn't have you on camera.
I want to race somebody to go to a different school. I'm behind the white LC nigga. What's that? I want to race you. I ain't talking about it. This is talking about on feet. Real race. Running. Right now. You look bad. Sarah, check that out. All right, go ahead. Just ask someone if you could be like, you want to race me, folks? Why ain't get closer? I don't. Just someone else. Damn.